What's up, guys? Today we will test an air pump which can inflate a tire of your car, bicycle, ball, or whatever it may be. Are you interested? Then let's get started.
Unfortunately, there is no case for transportation. The instruction is in English. Here are the specifications of the pump. Its weight is 485 grams. The body is made from plastic, build quality is good. There are two additional adapters under a cap. The length of air hose is 25 centimeters. The device is very easy to use. There are 4 pressure units. The compressor can work either until you stop it manually, or you can set up a needed parameter of pressure and it will stop automatically when it reaches this indicator. Size range of setting values is a number divisible by 5. It takes 5 minutes to pump up 0.6 atmospheres to a microbus tire. It takes 9 minutes to pump up 1.75 atmospheres to a car tire. It takes 1 minute and 10 seconds to pump up 2.1 atmospheres to a bicycle tire. Half battery is enough to pump up about 21 atmospheres, so full battery should be enough for around 40 atmospheres. The noise is around 80 decibels. This device can be also used as a power bank and as a flashlight, so it's really useful in a journey. So, to sum up, I can say that this air pump is really great and useful, not only because of a huge battery, but also because it can be also used as a power bank and as a flashlight. The only disadvantage is that there is no case for transportation. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in comments. See you next time.